Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can another Gmail account very easily. I will show you two process. So by following two process you can easily add another Gmail account very easily. So first process is that click on setting and then you will see search options or scroll on the page, click on account and then you will see manage account options, click on it and then click on add account. So then click on Google. So it is the first process and right here email or phone and then click on next and then it will ask you about password. So it is the same as when you will click on Gmail. It is the second process when you will click on three dots on top right and then click on setting and then click on add and then tap on Google and then you will see sign in with your Google account. Right here email or phone, then click on next, then write here password. So after that click on next. So in this way you can add another Gmail account very easily. If you set a two-step verification, then you will click on get a verification code and then when you will enter the verification code, then another Gmail account will be added. So guys, by following this process you can easily add another Gmail account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.